Hello, everybody. I'm Deependra Manocha, Director, Developing Countries Program, DAISY Consortium, Founder, Trustee, Saksham. After several decades of work, it is now possible for persons with print disabilities to be able to read with either eyes, ears, or fingers in Indian languages and with affordable cost. When there is any kind of sight loss or low vision or blindness, the biggest problem that comes is that we are not able to read normal print. This now becomes possible to read all the books when we have digital technology or the accessible books in digital format. For example, what do we mean by reading with eyes, ears, and fingers on a digital book? If there is a person with low vision, and if I have a smartphone or a laptop, I can actually increase the size of the text on the screen to any level that is suitable for me. I can also change the color contrast. I can change the line spacing, word spacing, and that would make it suitable for any kind of eye condition, and I'll be able to read that book very easily with my eyes. Reading with ears means that the same digital text can actually be read out to me using the text-to-speech technology. The computer's voice or the mobile phone's own voice will read the whole text out to me and I can listen to it. Reading with fingers means that there is a refreshable braille display which is connected to either my mobile phone or a computer, and I can start reading the same digital text which is shown on the screen of this computer or a mobile. This refreshable braille display. There are almost 50 lakh books which are now available which can be read with eyes, ears, or fingers. And the best part is that the technology required to read these books is now available at a very affordable cost. A smartphone could just cost about 10,000 Indian rupees or just about 120 US dollars, whereas a refreshable braille display compatible with all Indian languages is now available at the cost of just about 30 to 35,000 rupees, which is about 450 to 500 US dollars. Same way, a laptop with Indo-NVDA screen reading software with best of the voices and the book reading applications can just be available within 25,000 rupees range, which is below 400 US dollars. We now also have a DAISY player called Saksham Evo E10 that can be connected to the sources of the digital content, and that can be downloaded directly to this Wi-Fi enabled DAISY player and start reading it in almost 15 Indian languages. All that needs to be done is to choose the right device from either a laptop or a smartphone or a braille display or a DAISY player according to your eye condition and your preference of the format of reading, and then register yourself with Sugamya Pustakalaya or Bookshare, from where you can download the content that you wish to read. With the very small amount of training, you will be able to use this system and be completely independent for all your reading and writing needs. This is what Simply Reading Solution is all about, which is here to end the book famine for persons with print disabilities. To know more about books that can be read with eyes, ears, or fingers, you can write to us at the following email ID. It's library@saksham.org. LIBRARY@SAKSHAM.org.